Timatek mondo wakal penj.
Hai. Echeno ni mar mbako romo bende watudre kod jofwambo magwa e counties mopogore opogore mar mondo wawinj ane ni tang'o matimore kama gintiere. Gie thuolo ni adwa ni wadhi achiel kachiel e county ma Mombasa watudre kod jafwambo marwa makono Joja Oko. Joja Oko oyawore ka intiere county ma Mombasa okinyi ma kawuono. Inyalo nyisowa ni itudri kodwa ka intiere school mane e county ma Mombasa okinyi ma kawuono, to Lwasi chalo nade e kinde ma koro jopuonjre riwore kod form 1 kata klas 9 kochakore kawuono. Aoko.
Erokamano ahinya, awinji maber kowuok e kaunti ma Mombasa, mana kaka iwache no. To kama antiere ni antiere skund secondary mar Hadija, mano mantiere e od bura Manyali e kaunti ma Mombasa kaendi. Kaendi watemo mana luwo chenro madhi nyime mag skunde kata jopuonjre mag form 1 donjo skul, ma kwa donjo kaendi wayudo ka nitiere nyithindo mathoth ahinya mantiere rangach ma pod ogeng'negi kiwacho ni samoro marks gi okoromo. Nitie mago mane ok oluongi kae, lakini temo mana biro manyo thuolo mondo ging'e ni to bende inyalo yienegi mondo me gidonji koso ooyo. Kato ye kama wantiere ni bende office nitiere kaendi ma administration block kama chenro mar kawe nyithindo dhi e nyime. Nitiere jonyuol, nitiere jopuonj, but adwa mana wuonegi achiel kuom jonyuol mondo nyisa ni to chenro ni oneno kadhi nade. Karibu sana mami, nazungumza na Ramogi TV. Labda tueleze tu kwa jina wewe ni nani na umekuja hapa kwa shughuli gani haswa?
Kwa majina kamili naitwa Baby Mombasa Abdalla, ninakuja kwa sababu ya kumadmit mtoto form 1. Kutokana na uchumi na maisha sasa hii Januari hali ngumu sana. Ndio maana tuawania kuleta watoto kujoin form 1. Hapa ni Hadija Secondary School, maeneo ya Nyali.
Ukiangalia shughuli unaiona iko vipi? Idadi ya wanafunzi labda walijitokeza, wazazi unaona iko vipi?
Idadi ya wanafunzi ni wengi, lakini kutokana na hali ya uchumi ndio bado sasa hivi watoto wengi wako nyumbani kutokana na hali, na hii Januari vile hali ilivyo ngumu. Kwa hivyo watoto watajoin, lakini bado watoto wengi bado wako nyumbani kusema la ukweli.
Tukizunguzia masuala ya karo, tunajua kuna mahitaji ambayo wanafunzi wanatakiwa kufika nazo shuleni. Pengine unaona hali iko vipi?
Hali si mbaya hivyo, lakini kama wazazi yabidi tujikaze, maana tunataka watoto wasome. Asante.
Labda niungane na mwalimu walosegi japuonj mar skul ni mano mar Hadija. Adwa na winjane ni to owacho nang'o, aneno kapod owuoyo gi jonyuol moko kanyo, but winjane pache onyiso ni to weche chal nade e skul makama e odiechieng' makawuono. Karibu sana mwalimu, samahani najua uko na shughuli nyingi, na labda tueleze, tunazungumza na Ramogi TV, tueleze labda shughuli za leo ziko vipi katika shule hii ya upili ya Hadija.
Kwa majina naitwa Florence Omwenga, principal Hadija Secondary School. We are admitting form 1s today, and indeed parents have come in their numbers. We are overwhelmed, but we are trying our best to make sure that we have attended to them within good time.
What are your expectations with how many do you intend to take in this school, and so far how are the numbers?
We are intending to take 200 students, although we have been given 357 by the government, the Ministry of Education. But we are overwhelmed with the numbers. We only have four rooms for the form 1s. So we are trying to see how possible it is to accommodate the 357. But we have started. We'll see whether we are going to make it to 357 or whether all of them are going to turn up.
I've also seen some of the parents who maybe their students were not admitted to this school, or they were not invited to this school, but they are here to ask for space. I don't know whether they are going to get this chance.
First of all, we have to give priority to those ones who are selected in this school by the government before we can extend a hand to them. If in case all the ones who were called here do not show up, then we will have to get from those ones who are coming from other schools to fill the gap.
I know also one challenge for most of the parents is the issue of school fees. I know some of them are saying that due to these economic hard times, they are not able to pay school fees in time. I don't know what are you doing about this?
We are negotiating with the parents, and the good thing is that we are also expecting the county government to come in to help the parents in giving them bursary, and at the same time, the area MP, the area MP's office through the CDF, they are also going to give them bursary. So at least there are some minimums. There are some minimums that we cannot go beyond. There are some minimums like the student must be in uniform, the students must have birth certificate, all those things, small items that bring them into the school. So those are irreducible minimums. Yeah, but for the rest, the fees, we know the county government and the MP's office are going to come in. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mwalimu.
Welcome.
Asante sana, endelea na kazi.
Thank you.
Okay, labda tupate mzazi wa mwisho, labda karibu sana mzazi, tueleze tu labda hali iko vipi? Umeleta mwanafunzi amepata nafasi ama hajapata nafasi? Anza tu kwa jina.
Kwa majina ni Ana Bahati. Kile ningependa kuchangia ni kwamba hii shule ni nzuri na ipata habari zake za hii shule, nikaonelea nilete mtoto wangu hapa apate masomo. Kwa hivyo hii shule, kama we ni mzazi na ungependa mtoto wako apate kile ambao unataka, wewe mlete kwa hii shule.
Labda wako aliitwa hapa na amepata nafasi?
Wangu amepata nafasi. Kwa hivyo nashukuru Mungu maana nimepata nafasi.
Shukrani sana.
Asante.
Mana kakiwinjo mago mana moko mjonyuol kaachiel kod japuonj mar skund ni mar Hadija Secondary katemo mana nyisowa chenro ma kawo jopuonjre ma klas 9 kata form 1 dhi nyime e skul ma kawuono makae. George Oko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
The county ma Mombasa wawinjo kanyo kaka jonyuol kaachiel kod japuonja mar skul oloso kinyi ma kawuono